Hello everyone, today I will show you how to change a fillable text box, fill color or background color using Nitro Pro PDF Editor. This is a fillable PDF from an text box. I'll say this text box fill color. Select this form option, this menu bar, and here you will find a select field option. Click here and drag your mouse and select multiple one, or you can select a specific one. Now click on this properties option and also click on this properties and properties dialog box. Now open and click on this appearance option, and this is border fill color option. I'll make it sense and see this preview. Also you can select mode color option and this one, make this one and select and see this. In this way you can select your fillable text box fill color. Now click on this hand option and see this text box fill color. No sense. Yeah, and finally select this file option, save or save as your fillable PDF form. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.